Hello, welcome all of you in Biology PUSHKAR, and today's we will discuss about cilia and flagella. So let's start the topic. Cilia and flagella. Okay, here already I draw the diagram of cilia or flagella. So first of all, be labeled here. Suppose first it is plasma membrane. Okay. Next, this one sheath. Okay. Next, bridge. Radial spoke. Peripheral microtubule. Okay. Central microtubule. Dynein arm. Next, enter doublet bridge. So all parts labeled here. Next, first of all, what is cilia and flagella? So define here. Cilia and flagella are outgrowth of are hair-like outgrowth. Cilia and flagella are hair-like outgrowth of plasma membrane. Okay, so if suppose it is a cell, suppose it is a bacterial cell, this one is flagella. Okay, so flagella arise from plasma membrane, or it is cell membrane outgrowth, right? Next, cilia and flagella are responsible for movement of cell and in locomotion. Okay, so here movement and locomotion, these are two things. Okay, next, flagellar apparatus are made up of following parts. Flagellar apparatus are made up of following parts. Okay, so here first part, that is shaft or ciliary parts. Okay, so what is shaft and ciliary parts? Okay, so it is made up of or it is cilium or flagellum that is singular. Cilium is singular term and flagellum also singular term. Cilium or flagellum are composed of 9 doublet plus 2 singlet. Microtubules. Okay, so here we can see the diagram of cilia and flagellum. Here suppose it is 9 doublet. 9 doublet means what? 1, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 9 doublet and 2 singlet. 1 and 2 both are singlet, microtubules, right? Next, cilium or flagellum covered by plasma membrane. This structure shows plasma membrane, or it is also called cell membrane, plasma membrane, right? Covered by plasma membrane. So what is the basis of a diagram? Suppose if it is cilium or flagellum, cut the transverse section, then shows these structure in these structure like 9 doublet, 2 singlet, and suppose here inter doublet bridge, we will discuss inter doublet bridge, Dynein arm, radial spoke bridge, peripheral microtubule, sheath. Okay, so here cilium or flagellum covered by plasma membrane, right? Next, plasma membrane. Okay, their core part, suppose it is core part, called axonium, plasma membrane, and their core part called axonium. Okay, so what is axonium? Axonium is the core part of cilium or flagellum, which is surrounded by plasma membrane. Okay, next, we are talking about shaft and ciliary parts. So here, next, information of shaft and ciliary parts. Axonium are composed of 9 doublet and 2 singlet microtubules. Okay, clear? Next, here Dynein arm. So what is Dynein arm, or what is the function of Dynein arm? Dynein arm, this is also Dynein arm, also Dynein arm. Okay, so Dynein arm acts as a myosin protein of muscle cell. Okay, Dynein arm acts as a myosin protein of muscle cells. Okay, next, Dynein arm have ATPase activity. Clear? Or ATPase activity, which is responsible for which is responsible for hydrolyze the ATP molecule, responsible for hydrolyze the ATP molecule and release energy for ciliary movement or flagellar movement, or release energy for ciliary movement or flagellar movement. Okay, so here Dynein arm have ATPase activity, okay. Dynein arm shows ATPase activity, that is responsible for ciliary movement, release energy for ciliary movement and flagellar movement. Okay, next, clear? Here we discussed the parts of axonium. Dynein arm, interdoublet bridge. What is interdoublet bridge? Okay, so suppose if it is a microtubule, and this is B microtubule. Suppose if number 1, okay, so interdoublet bridge connect between one peripheral microtubule and another peripheral microtubule. Okay, so here also indicate here 9 doublet peripheral microtubule attached with another peripheral microtubule by interdoublet bridge. Okay, next, radial spoke. You saw the bicycle in a wheel of bicycle spoke present. So here the radial spoke, the function of radial spoke also the maintain the shape of cilia or flagella. Okay, so radial spoke present here. Next, this one is central microtubule connecting with the help of bridge. Next, sheath. This one, this black lining is called sheath. Sheath is the protecting covering plasma membrane. Okay, peripheral microtubule. This is peripheral, present in periphery region. So that's why it is called peripheral microtubule. Okay. Now we are talking about second part of flagellar apparatus, B, basal body, or it is also called blepharoplast basal granule, basal granule, okay. Basal body, blepharoplast, basal granule, second part of the flagellar apparatus, okay. So it is membraneless structure, membraneless structure, okay. It is membraneless structure which is present just below the plasma membrane, just below the plasma membrane, okay. Next, it's a cartwheel structure, okay. Next, third part of flagellar apparatus, third part is rootlet or rhizoplast, rootlet or rhizoplast. Basal body just present below the plasma membrane, okay, and it is shows cartwheel structure. Rootlet, next part of the flagellar apparatus, rootlet or rhizoplast, okay. Next, it is conical band of protein fiber, it has dark band and made up of ATPase, okay. So all parts of the flagellar apparatus be discussed here. Next, we are talking about types of flagella. Basically, there are two types of flagella present. First one is tensile and second whiplash, okay. So suppose if it is flagella, okay. So here we can see two different types of flagella. In one flagella, hair like projections present, and in another flagella not here like projections present, or it is naked. Okay, so here tensils or V plus. What is tensils or V plus? Next, if tensils, such type of flagella here like projection present. So here this is tensile and V plus not any thread or hair like structure present, thread or hair like a structure present, and it is naked. It is naked. Okay, so in this segment we have discussed structure of cilia, cilia and flagella, and functions of cilia and flagella. Basically the functions of cilia and flagella are movement and locomotion. Okay, so types of flagella in this segment, tensils and V plus, be discussed. Next, in the next video we will discuss next topic. Okay, thank you.